a fellow Baptist from Elkhorn Baptist Church. I speak to you from a chapel here at Lakewood Manor, the Virginia Baptist Home in Richmond, Virginia. And I come to you to express my greetings to you and to thank you for the wonderful ministry you gave to me while I was there back in the time during the Depression. I'm very sure that this is a day the Lord hath made, and we can rejoice and be glad in it because it is the day of Jesus' birth, the day of his life, the day of his death, and the day of his resurrection, as well as the day of celebration for us here today. I regret gratefully that I cannot be with you personally, but I'm there with you in spirit. I often think about you, especially in those troubled times when the church just burned. We know you passed through depressing times, but you've held together in a great way. You carried forward. I rejoice at the wonderful success that I hear you're hearing there, and I do wish I could be there with you. Personally, I am indeed. So I want to just say, for the future, you have my prayers, my prayerful support, my greetings, my love, and I will follow you in my thoughts. I know that many will not remember me because they were only children when I was there, and their parents are no longer with us, but have gone to be the great reward. We rejoice in their victory and in your victory and in the victory you afforded me by Lord leading me to have a springboard to the wonderful ministry I've had. Thank you so much.